Hi there, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to verify a domain name ownership via DNS records. So anytime you add any domain name to Google Search Console, you may have to verify this domain name before you can start using it. And then Google will go ahead and then index your page. So I'm going to show you how to do this in this video tutorial. Let's jump right into action. So now this is my cPanel and we want to verify this domain name. This is the domain name. I want to show you how we can verify this, and we need to first copy this code. But you need to go to your cPanel and then type zone editor. So search for zone editor and then open it. So this is going to be our zone editor, and then we want to look for the domain name we want to actually verify, and this is the domain name over here. And I have add records cPanel. We have other related information, so we want to add a record to this. So we click on manage. So click on manage, and then from here we want to add this records, and then we want to verify it. So go ahead and click on add record, and then from here we want to put the name of the domain name. So go ahead and then paste the domain name over there. So I'll copy this, paste this right here, and then this is going to be a text record. So from the type option, change it from the A to a text. So it's going to be TES, and I want to paste the record over here. So go ahead and then from the search console, copy this unique code given to you. Copy that has been copied, and I'm going to paste everything here. So click and then paste everything right here, and then go ahead and click on save record. So wait for this to save, and you can see everything has been saved successfully. So let's see if we can now go ahead and then verify this domain name. So go back to the site, that's the Google Search Console, and now let's try verifying this domain name by clicking on verify. So after some time, I click on verify again, and then this ownership is verified. So I can easily go to this property and then start using it. So now this domain name is now active, and I can use it anywhere at all I want, and then Google can actually index this page. And then I have a notification here. You can see improve on your presence on this. That's the name of the site, and that is how to actually verify a domain ownership using the DNS record. Thank you so much for watching this short tutorial. Remember to subscribe and turn on post notification for more of my videos. Till I come your way again. Bye bye.